MX60-K78C CNC Busbar punching and shearing machine is a high-precision, high-automatic busbar processing machine that is independently developed by our company for punching, shearing, embossing. It is mainly used for busbar punching and shearing in high and low voltage distribution cabinets, switchgears, box substations, busway system and other industries. The machine consists of a feeding table with stainless steel roller, single-row inline mold library for left and right displacement, hydraulic clamping system with position detection, ×1 servo shaft for front feeding, ×2 servo shaft for rear end pulling, finished stainless steel conveying belt, electrical control system, hydraulic system with proportional value control, and automatic lubrication system. The CNC control system of the machine adopts high-quality industrial computer, touch screen and HMI, and can directly pre-verify the edited program. The system adopts point coordinate input mode, automatic alarm error prompt, simple operation and easy to understand. The machine has maximum size of 16 by 200 mm for processing copper busbar and aluminum busbars. Punching diameter of 4.3 to 35 mm, maximum stroke of 2000 mm for the x-axis, maximum feeding speed of 75 meters per minute for x-axis. The machine adopts single-row inline mold library with simple and clear structure, can hold 8 set of punching molds. When replacing the mold, there is no need for heavy auxiliary equipment. Before replacing the mold, the CNC system stops the program work, move the mold library to the appropriate position, through the CNC system, all the moving button above the mold library, and replace the upper mold and the bottom mold. The assembly processing are strictly controlled. It is the highest level of automation in the busbar processing industry, the lowest cost of use and most competitive in the market. Ideal processing equipment.